Hi, this is Jay from caldereriaonline.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a new setting that will help you to form your patterns accurately. The addition of bend angles to the 2D drawing for transitions, offset cones, and hoppers. So you can enter them into your press break to help you form your parts. Some of our users use press breaks to form their transitions. They ask for bend angles to be added directly to the drawing so operators can work faster with fewer errors and better results. So we have added it. So you will find this new checkbox in the configuration page at the bottom. This settings is applicable to offset cones with parallel top and bottom, hoppers both parallel and oblique, rectangle to round transitions with parallel ends. For each of these, if your include bending angle text settings is checked, your 2D drawing will include the bending angles at each fold line. This is especially helpful if you are using a press break and need to know exactly how much to bend each edge. Note, you can use other forming methods like rolling if applicable, depending on your workshop's process. I will show three examples: a parallel offset hopper, an oblique offset hopper, and a rectangle to round parallel transition. Let's start with a parallel offset hopper. So here I am in caldereriaonline.com. I have already completed the parameters of this parallel hopper. I will calculate the pattern. I will download this and see this in my CAD. So here I am in my CAD. I will open this first download. And we will see here a list of bending angles, which are the same as we can find in each bending line. 93 degrees, 104 degrees, and 98 degrees. This is the 3D view. Back in caldereriaonline.com, this is the oblique hopper. I have completed the same parameters except that we have an angle of 35 degrees here. I will calculate the pattern. I will download this and we will open this in my CAD. So back in my CAD, I will open the last download. So this is an offset hopper. We have we have bending angles here. We see 100 and 180 degrees here. So here we have 173, almost plane. Have two angles here. 92, 180. This is not an actual bending line, but is actually an auxiliary forming line, so no need to bend here. It's only for the calculation purposes of caldereriaonline.com. And we have some additional angles here too. 153, 124. And finally, I have this rectangle to round transition. I have already completed all the parameters. Some are quite similar to the previous one. The object divided into parts. I calculate the pattern. I will download this and see you again in my CAD. So back in my CAD, I will open this last download. So this is a rectangle to round offset transition. And for each of the two parts, we have a set of bending angles here, and also with each of the bending lines. So now you can shape your parts more accurately with bend angles for your press brake. We built this based on real-world feedback, so if you are using a press brake, this should make your workflow smoother. Try it out today. Just check the Include Bending Angle text option before calculating your development. And as always, if you have ideas or suggestions, let us know. Many features you see here started with one user's email. Visit caldereriaonline.com to try it out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.